Wow, look at this. Look who we got here. Is that Lulu? Lulu, you've never really walked in the snow before, have you? This should be interesting. Go get him, girl.
Come on,
Good, Lulu. Come on. I think she's stuck. What? Lulu, come on, girl. You can do it, girl. Come on. Come here, girl.
Come on.
What's that white stuff, huh?
She has a
Yeah.
cocaine problem.
Come on. Let's see you leap to and fro. Oh, look at that. I think she's eating it. Hey. Come on, Lulu, let's go.
She's gonna freeze.
Hey, girl.
Maybe I better put her out in the street. I think she's stuck.
I think she's stuck too.
Oh, Lulu.
Oh my gosh.
Poor Lulu.
Good luck, girl. Go do your duty. There she goes. Lulu's big adventure.